Welcome back, guys. So right, what have I been doing? As you can see, the underlay is out and pouring water all over the floor everywhere, and that's going to have to be drained now. Well, currently is draining. Now the other thing that I was doing was digging rust to see what I could find. Okay, as you can see, it's a teeny little hole. Doesn't look too bad. I've seen worse. But there's a plate that sits under there. It kind of curves underneath, and I think it's spot welded in places. So I don't know if I can get another one of these. I might have to get the section which comes out here, or just fix this, grind it back, fix it the best I can, and then start again, because the plate that's underneath it is what holds it in. So I could probably get away with just replating that bit there. Right, the other bit that I've got is only a teeny little bit of rot. It's not too bad. I've seen a lot worse. It's only this bit here. See, that's more like just a bit of rot from when the rain had come in and just rotted it away. Because I remember a while ago I had I think it was leaking from up there or somewhere, but it came down and there was a puddle in the carpet, and I had to get suck it all out. But you know, a couple of ducks could have a little paddling pool there. Right, well, that's the only update I'm going to do today. The next task that I'm going to do is going to take that out and take the other side out as well. Okay, like, share and subscribe if you like what you see. Cheers guys, thank you very much.